Good day, everyone. Hope you all are doing awesome. We just got our GoPro 13 Black with the firmware updated, so brand new firmware, and we're going to just test our DJI Mic2 via Bluetooth just to see if there's any improvements being made. So we're on the GoPro audio now, but then I'm going to just shut it off real quick and then connect it via Bluetooth. So yeah, to connect a wireless mic, you'll just turn on your GoPro, turn on your mic, and then in the GoPro settings, scroll down to general settings and then wireless connections. Turn that wireless connections to on, and then you'll just find your Bluetooth device once you hit the pairing mode. It should just pop right up and tap that. Now keep in mind when you're connected to the mic, the GoPro thinks the microphone is also a speaker, so you won't hear any audio output until you disconnect. So we'll go ahead and try that now. Okay, we are now connected with the DJI Mic2, so I'm just going to start walking backwards and see how far it will go. I'm sure it'll go pretty far. The DJI camera, they advertise like 400 meters or something like that, which is pretty good. But it might be different with like the GoPro Bluetooth. But we'll see if you guys can still hear me. I'm way over here. Alright, I'm just going to walk over back to the helmet and put the microphone inside my helmet, how I usually do, and then we'll just see how the audio sounds. And again, this is a GoPro 13 Black without a media mod. It's just the camera. Vehicle of choice today, the Buddy scooter. And yeah, helmet's on, the GoPro's on, and the Bluetooth mic is inside my helmet. Now, because we're not using a media mod with the GoPro, I don't have any kind of gain adjustment on the audio, so what you hear is what you get. Let's take it around the neighborhood. Now, right now my visor's open, so I'll just kind of cruise for a minute and then I'll close the visor. Alright, the road's closed, so we're just going to take a left. And we'll close my visor. So now visor's closed, and we're just going to do our little Bluetooth audio test. So, hope you guys can hear me. And yeah, this is with the brand new GoPro firmware update. It's June 21st, 2025. Hopefully we're not getting too much wind or anything. Beautiful day here. Gosh, it's like 65 degrees and sunny. Just a good day to be on a scooter. Ooh, golly, this thing has some bumps. Bum, 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 bum. I'm going about 30 miles an hour. Pretty heavy wind here today, so if you can hear it, today would definitely be the day to have it, or to hear it. Yeah, again, this is just an audio test. GoPro 13 Black and the DJI Mic2, and that's via Bluetooth. So So yeah, again, the mic's inside my helmet, and I just have it Velcroed. Okay guys, well that just about does it for that video. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the Bluetooth, just because I don't know how it sounds, to be honest. And we're just going to switch back to regular GoPro audio, and I'm going to go for a neighborhood ride. So thank you for joining me as always, and yeah, come on with the neighborhood ride if you'd like. Wanted to see if I just, turned on the wireless connections on the GoPro and turned on the mic, would it automatically repair? And it did. It completely repaired. I didn't have to do anything. It just started right up. So yeah, if you leave it paired and then turn it off and then turn it back on, it just takes just a second. It was honestly kind of faster than the DJI camera connected to the mic, which was hilarious. So yeah, again, the mic's in my helmet. No gain control, just because there's no media mod, so I'm just kind of cruising right now. Just seeing how it sounds. But I'm probably just going to head back, call this a test, and just see how it sounds. What I'm guessing is, yeah, there's no, I've owned a media mod before, but they're not waterproof, so it ruined my camera. It ruined my GoPro 10. So I'm wondering if I can use the Bluetooth. My hypothesis is I want to be able to use the Bluetooth mic with the GoPro wirelessly, so everything's waterproof. And then if I get home and I look at the footage in the editor, and if the gain is just out of control, I'm going to try and adjust the gain just in the post edit. So we'll see if that works. I hope it will. Because I really like the GoPro's footage. I feel like if I could have the GoPro's footage and the DJI Mic's audio, it'd be a perfect solution. This is a cool truck, California. Palomino. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, well again, thanks for watching. This has been the GoPro DJI audio test. We're on Bluetooth right now. And thanks for watching.